Hey there guys, and welcome back to our channel where I show you how to use AI effectively. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best free AI tools out there for anybody looking to explore their creative side. Number 5. Night Cafe. The first free AI art tool that we'd like to draw your attention to is Night Cafe, the perfect example of such an app, as it's a completely free text-to-image AI art generator that's available to all looking to create their art pieces. For real! You'd actually be amazed at what the app is actually capable of executing. Simply ask for anything and type it out in simple English, and you'd find that the app's AI is totally capable of pulling it off. All you have to do is sign up and sign in, and the app would be able to create any sort of image, be it an oil painting, a cubist expression, something surreal, or maybe something with a steampunk element about it. Anything! Further than that, the app also allows the user to choose which algorithm or model to use. Thanks to its free options, Night Cafe just happens to be a great alternative to Midjourney, and with that kind of reputation, it should be hard to pass on this fantastic AI art generator. Number 4. Bing Image Creator. We can't have a list about free AI art generators without taking a look at what Microsoft has to offer. As such, we must commend Microsoft for coming to an agreement with OpenAI to create Bing Image Creator, a free comprehensive AI suite that is as efficient as any other free AI art generating tool out there. And it works like all of them do as well. Just turn your prompt into the message box and hit create. Seems like an easy enough process to make some of the most precise art pieces with AI, so long as you can describe exactly what you want from the program. That being said, there is a bit of a drawback when it comes to using the Bing Image Creator. As Bing is in its label, it may annoy some when they realize that you may need to use Microsoft Edge and Bing to make use of this app. To be honest, it might be a cheap price to pay to use this app. Number 3. Crayon. Another free AI art tool that is just perfect for anyone looking to create their own art pieces is Crayon. This is especially perfect for those looking to get a taste of DALL-E 3 or DALL-E 2, the AI art generator launched by OpenAI. Formerly known as DALL-E Mini, Crayon is actually an open source version of the original AI model and is actually so free to use, you don't even need to open an account to gain unlimited use of the app. Due to the fact that it's open for use to the public, many can tell you of how this app is capable of creating images through reading the captions of other images on the internet. Furthermore, all you have to do to create images of your own is to type your prompt into the message box, choose what sort of image that you want, ensure you enter the negative words which represent the things you don't want in your image, then hit draw and voila! The app develops 9 different images for you to choose from. If you're happy with what you see, you can download all the images so that you can make use of them as you please. Truth be told, you may not find a freer AI-powered art generator on the internet today. Number 2. PixRay. Next is PixRay, another fantastic text-to-art generator that's available to anybody working with a web browser or with an API. Whatever form it comes in, what's important is that the app is free. To make the app look even better, it has an easy and simple enough to use interface, thereby making it perfect for any beginner looking to explore such an amazing app. Furthermore, it comes with customizable AI engines and extensive data from custom codes, thereby giving those more savvy with such things the ability to fully express themselves as well. Either way, to start the process of creating your art, the first thing that needs to be done once you're ready to get to work is to add your prompt so that the app can start the process of creating the images. Following this, select any of the AI render engines that you can find out there. You can use Pixel to generate pixel art, VQ-GAN to create GAN images, or use Calyptraw and Line Sketch to make stroked-based images. Once you pick the style of art or image that you desire, the setting gives you access to the extensive PixRay documentation, which allows you to customize the AI setting in ways that would please anyone. For example, someone who fiddles with the AI settings can add artist staples or define the quality or scale of their image. Trust me, you may not be able to get more hands-on with your art with any other app like you would with PixRay. Number 1. Dream Studio. Finally, we take a look at Dream Studio, a fantastic AI art generator developed by Stability AI, with the use of Stability AI's open-source Stable Diffusion models to create some of the most amazing AI text-to-image art that you can find out there on the internet. Despite the fact that you may have limited use of the app as you only get a certain level of credits available to a new user, you cannot pass up on this fantastic AI art generator. Believe us, it's too hard to ignore such a product as, despite the bonuses and the fantastic art and images that can be created with this app, it's also as easy to use as all of them. Do not sleep on Dream Studio. You won't want to miss out on what it has to offer. With that, this video has come to an end. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting tutorials. Until next time, bye!